Welcome to TechStunner, your destination for cutting-edge unboxing experiences. Join us as we explore the excitement of unboxing, one tech treasure at a time. Subscribe now and never miss a thrilling unboxing moment. Here we go.
All right, tech enthusiasts, let's dive into the Xiaomi 15 Pro. First off, this beast was released just a few days ago on October 29th, 2024, and it's already turning heads. Design-wise, it's sleek and solid. It measures 75.3 by 161.3 by 8.4 millimeters and weighs in at 213 grams, giving it a premium feel. It comes in 4 stunning colors: black, white, silver, and green. The display is a 6.73-inch LTPO AMOLED screen with a jaw-dropping resolution of 1440 by 3200 pixels and a buttery smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. Plus, it's shatterproof and supports Dolby Vision and HDR10+, peaking at an insane 3200 nits. In short, this screen is pure eye candy. Under the hood, this phone packs a punch with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of UFS 4.0 storage. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, it's an octa-core processor clocked at 4.32 GHz, paired with an Adreno 830 GPU. This setup ensures you can handle anything from heavy multitasking to high-end gaming without breaking a sweat. Now let's talk cameras. The Xiaomi 15 Pro features a triple 50MP rear camera setup with wide periscope telephoto and ultra-wide options. You get laser autofocus, Leica lenses, and the ability to shoot 8K videos at 30 fps. For selfies, there's a 32MP wide-angle front camera that supports 4K video recording. Your Instagram game is about to level up. Battery life? It's got a massive 6,100 mAh battery with 90W fast charging and 50W wireless charging. Plus, you can even reverse charge other devices at 10W. No more battery anxiety. This device supports almost every connectivity option you can think of, including 5G, Wi-Fi 7, and Bluetooth 5.4. And yes, it's water and dust resistant with an IP68 rating. At Rs62 990, the Xiaomi 15 Pro is a powerhouse for its price. So, is it worth it? If you're looking for a top-tier smartphone with cutting-edge features, this might just be your next gadget. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews. Catch you in the next one.
Enjoying our content? Make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our growing community. Don't miss out on future videos. Subscribe now for more exciting content, and click the video appearing on the screen to continue watching. Otherwise, see you next time. I'm Sarah from TechStunner. Have a nice day.